Okay, what we want to look now at is the idea of what happens when when theta goes around the axis here. So how do I get theta being on our positive x-axis here? So the idea, if we do that, or let's start first, if theta was going to be on either of these axes. Now if I take theta and consider if I multiply by 2 pi, well, we only want pi in this case, we multiply pi times k, or pi times, so we take pi times some number. Every time we multiply, if theta was equal to 1 pi, it would be there. If it was equal to 2 pi, it's there. 3 pi, there. 4 pi, there. 5 pi, there. And so on. If it was equal to 0 pi, it would be back on that axis. If it was equal to minus 1 pi, it would be on there. So if k is what we call an integral number, k is just some integer. So k is integral. Anytime we say k times pi, that's going to put the angle theta being on either of these axes. What if we just wanted on this axis? Well, if it was just this axis, we would say that theta then would be equal to 2 times pi times k. Because that's going to put it on the positive x-axis every time. If k is integral, k is any number, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we put 0 in, it gives us 0. So we know theta is 0, it's going to be on that axis. If k is equal to 1, theta would equal 2 pi, which would be on that axis. If k is equal to 2, it'd be 4 pi, it's on this axis. So that's how we're going to get theta being on the positive x-axis. Theta times k puts us on either axis, but if theta is equal to 2 pi times k, would be on the positive axis. What if we just want theta on our negative x-axis? Well, then we consider the situation where we'd have 2k, and we have to basically make it an odd number. Because if it's an even number, it'll be there. If it's an odd number, there. So we could say 2k minus 1 times pi. So if we had 2k minus 1, if k is an integral number, 2k minus 1 would give us an odd number, and then we multiply it by pi, because we consider this would be pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, or negative 1 pi, negative 3 pi, negative 5 pi, negative 7 pi. Anytime we've got a negative number or a positive number that's odd and times by pi, it's going to put us on this axis here, the negative x-axis. So that's how we can get our value of theta to be on either axis there.